Andy's design calls for 7 large cabbage palms. I asked Dan Sekula from Beautiful Blooms Landscaping the benefits of planting this Florida staple.
This is a sable palm or a cabbage palm that is actually the Florida state palm tree. We like to use it because of its resistance to insects and disease. So it's a very, very low maintenance tree. Stands our Florida hurricane season very well. These boots here are the remnants of the fronds. So when it's been trimmed, some of these get left behind.
So this is called a boot here.
That's right.
What is this part down here?
This has all been shaved. You use a chainsaw and you just kind of take this dead wood off.
Dan, give me a little leg up here.
Yeah.
I think I see a coconut up there. Let me get up in here. Okay, I'm up there. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. This is not a bad climbing tree, Dan.
You know, depends on the climber.
Depends on the climber.
Yep.
Yep. All right, how do I get down?
I don't know.